Now one day, my big fridge, just decided for no apparent reason, without permission, to stop working. So, between getting a new big one, have a guess where I went. I went to one of my favourite shops, Aldi, and I bought a tabletop fridge, a mini fridge. Ooh. So it's going to be this will be an unboxing of my mini fridge from Aldi. As you know, I bought myself an Aldi soup maker, and I love it. Let me see if I love this fridge just as much. Okay, so, as you know, I love me some Aldi. And Aldi's so random. You can go to Aldi just to get some veg or some fruit, and all of a sudden you'll see an appliance there, just randomly in the aisle. And so today, one day, I went to Aldi and bought a suit. Went to the buy loaf of bread, came out with a full suit. Worn it to Carlton's wedding. Wonderful suit. Today I went in to get some fruit and veg and a few ingredients for my school, some practicals, and I saw myself a fridge. Now my normal fridge, my big fridge, decided one day, without my permission, to just stop working. So in between getting another big fridge, was obviously £300, £400, £500, something like that, I saw a lovely small fridge, tabletop fridge in Aldi. So I thought, why not? See what it's like. And the interesting thing when you don't have a fridge, which we've been without a fridge now for maybe a week or so, it causes you to scale down and change how you eat. So for example, when we had the big fridge, lots of stuff would get shoved in the fridge, and oftentimes at the back of the fridge, behind lots of stuff, things would go off because you don't see them. But when you've got no fridge, you're a lot more particular with the food you buy, and the amounts as well. So you become a lot more conscious. So I thought, well, let's try a small fridge to see if we can manage with a small fridge, potentially, to see if we can change our eating habits so we have less waste. So we cook smaller portions, less to go in the fridge and get lost at the back of the fridge. But it is just a fridge, not a freezer, so we'll see. Okay. Ooh. This looks nice. This looks really nice. It's a black fridge. I thought I'd go for black as opposed to white, so it doesn't look quite like you got some odd appliance sitting on your countertop. So we'll see it in the kitchen when it's ready. But ooh, this looks very nice. Open it up. Alright, can stop the camera, bring it closer, and have a better look. So this, ooh, it's got a reassuring thud when it closes. This is my new mini fridge. Well, I'll see how it works. If it doesn't work, obviously I'll take it back. I'll just pretty good like that. But this looks slick. This looks like it doesn't even belong in a kitchen. It looks like it can stick it on your bookcase. Looks like one of them modern hi-fi systems. Oh, this looks really, really cool. Design-wise, I'm really feeling this. I had a choice of white, silver, or black, and I went for black. I'm pretty glad about that. That looks, no one really stops and thinks, ooh, that fridge looks gorgeous, but it's a pretty sweet looking fridge. Open up. It's got a little thing at the back there where you put some milk, and it's got one shelf. So you'll be able to get some veg in there, bit of milk. It's not enormous, but if you're downsizing, you just want to put a few things in there to preserve the next day, eating a lot more fresh fruit, as I'm intending to, this might just work. Of course, the wait for the missus to come home, because she might say, what have you done by a little mini fridge? Let's just get a proper one. So that also is a possibility. But in the meantime, I can look and think, wow, what a good looking fridge. So what I'm going to do, stick it in the kitchen. Ooh, nice. And we'll see what it looks like in the kitchen. And there we have it. Sitting in the corner of the kitchen like a sculpture. Beautiful. Black was a great choice. You gotta just love some Aldi products. Open the door. Beautiful, humming away. Even if we ever get a big fridge again, I don't know. I like it so much already. I put my name on it.